My name's Chisache Sar. I'm 18 years old and I'm in senior 6. I'm doing Hague. My favorite subjects are geography and Uganda. I come from a broken up family whereby my parents divorced when I was 5 years old. So now I know I'll make it with your support, and I would like to become a journalist because the moment I see those people, I really like to be like them. So I know with your support I'll make it.